What's up, Chicago? This is Kasha.
What's up? It's Vicious from the Bills.
It's Master D from the Bills.
And this message is actually an apology. We had a show that was supposed to be going down July 3rd, Two-Step Chicago.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we were denied entry by the customs.
Yeah, it was really unfortunate, because we actually had our tickets. We were there at the airport, and for some reason we fell on the wrong customs officer. We had the right papers, but for some reason he said it wasn't enough. We explained it to him that we're doing a lot of shows in Canada, and we had a show in Chicago. We had fans like you coming out to support, but for some reason he just didn't like us. So, we got refused entry. So, but we're definitely going to be coming back. And we can't blame the promoters. You can't blame anything. It's the government. For some reason that day they just didn't want us in.
Yep.
So that's about it. But you guys.
We love you guys, man. We love you guys, and we're definitely gonna make it up to you.
Yep.
So keep it locked. Check out for us, and we're gonna be back.
Take care.
Peace.